Hello dear students, welcome you all to Bell Basics of English Language and Literature by Madhav Dudhate. Today I am going to deal with MCQs on report writing. I have searched throughout YouTube but these are not available, so I decided to prepare a set of MCQ for this for compulsory English students. So before going to the MCQ, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's continue to MCQs. Number 1, reports may include. The green tick, there you will get the answer after reading all the options. The first option, a careful investigation of facts, a sequence of events, conclusion. And reports may include all of the above. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Next MCQ. Reports convey information, answer questions, and dash dash. The options are A, present your opinions, B, comply with government regulations, C, solve problems, D, none of these. And the correct option, that is C, solve problems. Okay, so next, third number, a report is a dash dash document, and the options are short, sharp, concise, all of these. And the correct answer is all of the above, because it is a short, sharp and concise document. Next one, the title of report must be dash dash. Option number A, ambiguous, B, descriptive, C, prescriptive, D, mysterious. And the correct option, that is B, descriptive, because the title of report must be descriptive. It should give brief information about what is presented in it. It must not be ambiguous, it must not be prescriptive and mysterious. It should be clear one and descriptive one that gives small or brief description of your report. Okay, so the next one, what among the following is not necessary for report writing? Carefully read the question. The question is not necessary. Okay, so the options are A, preparation, B, purpose, C, collection of data or information, none of these. Okay, the question is not necessary for report writing. Preparation is necessary, purpose of report writing is also necessary, and collection of data or information is also necessary. So the correct answer for this question is D, none of these. Okay, so next one, question number 6, which among the following is not a type of formal report? Formal report is basically used for official purpose with a particular aim. And which among the following is not the type of formal report? Option number A, progress report. Option number B, informational report. Option number C, analytical report. And option number D, recommendation report. And the correct option is option A, that is progress report. Progress report is not the type of formal report, it is an informal report. Okay, so next, question number 7, the introductory part of report must contain dash dash. And the options are explanation of problem, B, recommendations, C, conclusion, and D, none of the above. Obviously you might have got the answer. The introductory part of report must contain option number A, that is explanation of problem. The recommendations and conclusions should be added into latter part. The recommendations should be added in the end of the main body, and conclusion are at the end of the report. Okay, so the correct option, explanation of problem. Next question, question number 8, Which of these is not a parameter in report? Means which among the following options may not be considered while writing a report? The first, extent of information, age of writer, quality of information, ability to acquire information. And the correct answer to this question is age of writer. The age of writer may not be the parameter of the report, because any person having all these information and ability to write a report can write the report. There is no consideration of age while writing a report. So the correct option is B, age of writer. Question number 9. Reports that provide data or findings, analysis and conclusions are dash dash dash. The options are A, informal reports, B, progress reports, C, analytical reports, D, summaries. And the correct option is analytical reports. Analytical reports that provides data or findings, analysis and conclusions of a particular problem. That's why it is called as analytical reports. So the correct option to this question is C, analytical reports. Next question, 10 number. Which of these is not a part of a report? Front matter, A option, B option, gender, C option, front cover, D, title page. When we are composing a detailed report, so it is not a short report that we write in classrooms and all these things, but when we are actually working on a report and we are combining or compiling a report, at that time there are basic criterias, and in that we would have front matter, then front cover would be there, title page, all these things are included into it. And the part that is not there, that is option number B, gender. Okay, gender is not the part of a report, so the correct option for this question is gender. So these are some of the MCQs of report writing. So hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Also you can visit my website www.msdudate.com for more study material. You will get summaries of your different text that has been prescribed for you. So thank you for watching, and watch continuously other videos also. I will come with another video on articles also, so watch that one also. Thank you very much.